Further debate, the member from Guelph.
Thank you, Speaker. It's an honor to rise to speak in support of motion 157. And I'm supporting this motion, Speaker, because I believe everyone in Ontario deserves to have an affordable place to call home. COVID has highlighted this now more than ever. COVID has exposed the inequities in our society, and it's made them worse. And there may be no place more profoundly we've seen that than the inequities in the housing market. And so one of the benefits of this motion is that it closes a loophole in the government's 2021 rent freeze by not allowing above guideline rent increases, which is a tool that's being used to increase rent on a number of tenants that simply cannot afford it, mostly anytime, but especially during a global pandemic, especially at a time when so many people are unemployed or even more precariously employed than they were during the pandemic. But Speaker, the reality is that we had an affordability crisis in housing prior to the pandemic, and this pandemic has only made it worse. In Toronto, pre-pandemic, the average minimum wage worker had to work 79 hours to be able to afford a one-bedroom apartment, and 96 hours for a two-bedroom apartment. 0% of rental housing, market rental housing, is affordable to a minimum wage worker in communities such as Barrie, Peterborough, Guelph, Toronto, Kitchener, Ottawa, Thunder Bay, community after community after community in this province, which highlights another important part of this motion, which says this should be part of a housing affordability strategy. And that's what this province needs, a housing affordability strategy that increases the amount of affordable housing in this province without paving over the places we love, the farmland that feeds us, the wetlands that protect us from flooding. We can do this if we redesign our communities. If we redesign our communities in a way that puts people first. If we start investing in social housing. You know, the wait list for social housing in Ontario, 185,000 people. We can do this if we start investing in co-op housing. We can do this if we start investing in co-housing, in nonprofit housing. We can do this if we provide the incentives needed to build deeply affordable, supportive housing. Speaker, the other thing that has been highlighted during this pandemic is the mental health and addictions crisis facing so many people. And when we talk about a housing affordability strategy, we have to understand the connection between the need for mental health supports and wraparound services and housing affordability. And we need governments at all levels to work together to make sure that we have supportive housing that is designed to eliminate homelessness in our province. So, Speaker, this motion makes an important step in closing a loophole that's been used primarily by global investors treating housing as a commodity, as a speculative investment tool, when housing should be designed for people. And so that's why I'll be supporting this motion.